music.
Hi guys, we're here at Venice Grand Canal. So, guys, ang target ng pamilya ko is makasakay daw kami din sa may boat. And we're currently going down para makasakay. And this is the tip! Yes! Bakit? Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda din ng bag ko. This is my mom's bag. Wala lang, hindi ka ginagamit. So, ako nang gagamit. Pag-decide ko anong gagawin ko sa hair ko, kung ganito or like side part.
Yo.
Guys, ganyan yung gagawin namin. No? Magbo-boat din kami. This is the pang. Say hi to the vlog. Pagod na sila.
Nabuhan.
Dito, dito. Dapat ganyan yung view.
Nandito kami ngayon sa, bansa ito.
Ano? Italia.
Nasa Italy kami ngayon. Siguro mga next week, uwi na kami Pinas.
It's
Medyo,
ano, hinay-hinay lang sa ano, sa lubong.
nagwawaldas pa kami ng pera. Ayaw kasi namin na nagtitipid. Dito kami nagwawaldas kami sa Italy.
Say dapat English. We're using our money to the fullest.
Because my money is too much. Too limpak-limpak.
What is money? Paper only.
Yeah.
Saan nyo kung nasaan kami? Ang aking cloud chaser ng mother. Galing. Oh, say hi guys.
Hello.
Oh, ganda ng view nila dun, oh.
Hawakan mabuti.
Ayan sila. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, ate.
Say hi.
Tanong nga dito yan.
Hawakan mabuti kayo.
Mag-ano tayo, bagay. I have my wallet. And I also have the photo booth that we've taken kanina, earlier. Look at that, also cute. Tapos, I have my 400 kasi nakapagdil ako sa kapatid ko. Binili niya yung sweater ko. So, pag nakita niya yung sweater na suot niya akin, binili niya 400. Tapos nabili ko like 348 pesos namin. Makeup kit. Wow! I have makeup kit here.
Vlogger ka. Vlogger.
Oh, I have my powder, my lipstick, my blush, and sunscreen, and a lot of brushes. Yes. Charger with power bank. Okay. It's very, very important when you go out. Because when you go out, diba, maglulubat ka, so you need a power bank. But, unfortunately, zero na lang siya. So, di ko na ma-charge. I also have my perfume. Oh, diba? Florence, La Via Belle. I also have my AirPods. And lastly, adapter. Yes. Very, very professional. Shout out, guys, to all the people that live here. I command you.
Music.
tapusin na natin. Oh, let's, mag-goodbye na kayo, guys. Say goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Lobat na ako.